Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix PlayStation 5 mic not working. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, right here, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your game library. Right here in your game library, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here in this page. Once you're here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental control, system, storage, and under it, you're gonna find sound. So go ahead and click on sound. And then here you're gonna find microphone, click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find input device. Firstly, go ahead and click on input device and make sure you choose your mic. If you want to use the microphone and controller, make sure you select this one. And if you have another external mic, you will find this right here. Make sure you select it. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on adjust microphone level. And then right here, you can click right here on microphone level. And then you can adjust it. You can either increase it or decrease it. Once you finish, click on X on your controller. And then you can go back right here. Here you're gonna find microphone status when logged in. You can either choose on or mute. And here you're gonna find microphone status when starting voice chat or broadcast. You can either choose switch to mute or don't change. Once you finish, just leave the settings and all of your changes will be saved. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.